Do you want to get away from all the stress? A way to spend time with your family? Want to go outdoors to hike and maybe fish, but you lack the supplies? Well, we got just what you need. An all-in-one fishing and hiking kit, a fishing rod, bait, a backpack to hold it all. Don't worry, we also have mud boots. Brought to you by Jones Outdoor Goods.
Welcome to the wonderful world of nature.
Reel it in! Wow, nice catch. Tough luck. Should have bought Jones's all-in-one fishing and hiking kit. You see, our fishing rod is made from the highest quality, ultra-lightweight aluminum steel alloy, guaranteed to last for at least 15 years. Not only does our limited-time kit include a fishing rod, but also a tackle box, which contains fishing line, bait, a pocket knife, bobbers, backpack, mud boots, fishing vest, and a hiking hat. Boom! Don't worry, we have something that will help with that. Our super absorbing lightweight magical towel will dry you off in an instant. And guess what? If you call 1-800-GET-FISH within the next 48 hours, you'll get this towel for free.
Call 1-800-GET-FISH. That is 1-800-GETFISH. Don't forget to visit our website, www.jonesoutdoorgoods.com, for more information and deals. Jones Outdoor Goods.